Today we are going to teach you how to make chicken Alfredo. You are going to need the following: 2 grilled chicken breasts diced, salt, pepper, 1½ cups of whole milk, 1½ cups of chicken stock, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 8 ounces of rigatoni, ½ a cup of heavy cream, as much freshly grated Parmesan as you want. We used 1½ cups, and chopped parsley. We pre-cooked our chicken in the pan with olive oil and salt and pepper. Heat up the same pan to use for the pasta. Then add garlic, pour in the chicken stock, and then the whole milk. Now wait until the sauce begins to simmer. Add your rigatonis and mix them around to prevent them from sticking together, and let them cook for 11 minutes. Now pour in the Parmesan and the heavy cream and stir around until fully mixed together. Keep cooking and mixing for 3 to 5 minutes or until sauce thickens. Move it off the stovetop and mix in your chicken into the pasta and Alfredo sauce. Finally, put it on a dish and sprinkle some chopped parsley on top and enjoy.